Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by picking the search term and making sure the sheets you need are open in one workbook. Once done, create a consistent column reference to search across, for example column on every sheet. Next, either name each sheet's range or remember the sheet order. This simplifies formulas and avoids errors. Make sure to save a copy before testing. This gets you into the action immediately so you can run a cross-sheet search without wasting time on trivial setup. Now you build the actual search. Start with a 3D countif when sheets are contiguous, equals countif, sheet 1, sheet 5. AA term. If sheets aren't contiguous, make a list of sheet names and use indirect with SumProduct or construct match/index to look up dynamically. Once you enter an array-style aggregation, press the proper keys or confirm dynamic array behavior in newer Excel. Make sure to test with known values to confirm the formula checks every sheet and the right column range. To finish, verify totals with spot checks on a few sheets and then lock or convert formulas to values if you'll share the workbook. If you need dynamic updates, keep the formulas and ensure calculation mode is set to automatic. If results look wrong, check that sheet names match exactly, ranges include full columns, and indirect references are valid. One quick troubleshooting tip: switch calculation to automatic and recalculate. Many apparent errors come from stale calculations rather than bad formulas.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.